Introducing the all-new Santa Fe and XRT concept by Hyundai Motor Company. Get ready to embark on a journey of radical transformation and innovation. In this video, we'll dive into the "Open for More" concept that shapes the fifth-generation Santa Fe SUV, bringing you closer to the great outdoors and urban exploration like never before. The Santa Fe's heritage spans generations, from its iconic debut to the recent launch of its fifth iteration. To celebrate this legacy, the world premiere of the all-new Santa Fe took place in the stunning region of Santa Fe, New Mexico, the birthplace of inspiration for this remarkable SUV. At the heart of this transformation is the wide tailgate, seamlessly connecting the inside with the outside. What was once a mere storage space has now evolved into an open terrace, inviting you to embrace nature effortlessly. So, what makes the all-new Santa Fe stand out? Let's take a closer look. The bold and powerful exterior design reflects a growing trend towards outdoor lifestyles. The journey began with an innovative approach, focusing on the wide tailgate before shaping the rest of the exterior. The efficient, boxy shape, combined with the longer wheelbase, exudes a commanding presence, whether you're navigating city streets or venturing into the wilderness. Step inside, and you'll experience a perfect blend of functionality and elegance. The interior's horizontal and vertical design elements create an open and balanced atmosphere. The panoramic curved display, a first in its class, brings together the digital cluster and infotainment system, enhancing visibility and adding a touch of luxury. The practical body profile of the all-new Santa Fe seamlessly transitions between urban and outdoor activities. Its spacious cargo capacity and wide tailgate opening cater to your urban needs and outdoor adventures, ensuring there's room for everything you need. Premium features enrich the driving experience, making every journey comfortable and convenient. The relaxation seat with leg rest, innovative power reclining independent seats, and a host of technology advancements redefine the way you travel. Safety and confidence go hand in hand with the all-new Santa Fe. Advanced driver assistance features like forward collision avoidance assist 2 and lane following assist 2 make your drive secure and worry-free. With various powertrain options available, including gasoline and hybrid engines, the all-new Santa Fe offers fuel efficiency for both city commutes and exhilarating outdoor escapades. From its innovative design to its commitment to safety and versatility, the all-new Santa Fe redefines what an SUV can be, bridging the gap between city life and the great outdoors. And don't forget, alongside the Santa Fe, Hyundai Motor presents the XRT concept, designed to ignite your spirit of adventure. The XRT concept empowers you to tackle challenging terrains and embrace the wild, catering to the desires of outdoor enthusiasts seeking the ultimate adventure. As Hyundai Motor Company continues its impressive transformation and exploration of the SUV landscape, the all-new Santa Fe and XRT concept stand as a testament to innovation, style, and the boundless spirit of adventure. Get ready to experience a new era of driving with the all-new Santa Fe and let your journey unfold with every mile.